family and friends inviting you on Sunday.
We are receiving a very powerful anointed man of God from Canada, Dr. Charles Kazumba.
Dr. Charles Kazumba.
Dr. Charles Kazumba.
Our host, Reverend Kanchebele.
Reverend Anthony Kanchebele.
On the 23rd of March, we are having a service. The theme is Divine Restoration.
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 From 8:30 to 12:30.
I invite you all to come and attend this powerful service.
This coming Sunday,
Come and be blessed, and your life will never be the same.
Come and worship with us.
be there. God bless you all. See you there.